Are your tools ready for the future? Digitalization of tools. Take a look at modern furniture production. Edge banding machines and CNC machines working in tandem and equipped with a wide range of tool stations. Tool magazines are well filled and tools are assembled at the presetting places to deliver seamless production. But surely you are familiar with the situation where tools suddenly go missing and are untraceable. Then the long search in the relevant tool storage locations begins. Time loss and frustration are inevitable until the missing parts are found. Missing entries in the machine controller are another problem. Getting a length or a diameter wrong can, in a worst-case scenario, cause a crash and break a tool. And finally, the topic of the tool's condition arises. Even the very finest of tools lose sharpness and precision as time goes by. Regular maintenance is essential. To meet the increasing demands on the tools and avoid future errors, LEUCO has developed an innovative service. Tools can now be digitalized during the sharpening service. Because LEUCO does more than just sharpen, LEUCO also identifies and digitalizes. Let's take an end mill as an example. In the LEUCO Service Center, chipped and rounded blunt edges on the cutters are resharpened precisely in the usual manner. Then every tool receives a unique identification. This involves digital recording and generation of essential information such as master data and measurements. Even the packaging receives a unique identification. Tools like the LEUCO T3 system mill that never need to be resharpened can also be assigned master data that make them uniquely identifiable. What are the benefits of tool identification during resharpening? We have three significant advantages for your production. First of all, by making it possible to locate each tool. Tools are uniquely identified and traceable, and, thanks to precise measurements, an app enables them to be paired up with adapters, measured, and then localized. Having designated packaging on the shelf also makes it easier to find a specific tool. A simple scan reveals the precise location of the tool you are looking for. In the Tool Management app, you can easily track where a specific saw blade is located, for example. Thanks to localization, it is immediately apparent that the required saw blade is currently on the CNC machine. This is how digital records make it so easy to find an individual tool. However, that is not all. There is a second benefit: accurate measuring data. The app shows clearly whenever the tool is sent away for service. Updated measuring data are available immediately, just as soon as that tool comes back. The third and most significant benefit is that the tool and the machine are able to communicate digitally. Data from the sharpening service and production are transferred to the machine automatically. The machine controller scans the master data and the measurement details. After the tool has been used, production data such as linear meters and quantities are played back across to the tool. Then this tool information can be retrieved on the next occasion. Get your tools ready for the future right now. With digital data, find your tools and see their conditions. Minimize mistakes. Tools and machine communicate with each other. increase production efficiency, and save time and money. Get your tools digitalized now at the LEUCO Service Centre.